In light of the recent studies regarding the harmful effects of welding fumes and the resulting legislation imposed by the HSE, ReadyArc have been working with one of the leading manufacturers of welding fume extraction equipment to find an effective and practical solution. Abicor-Binzel have been leading the charge on this matter, and with ReadyArc's expertise and experience, we've been working with welders to find the best practical solution. We have set up an on-torch extraction demonstration to showcase the effectiveness of this process. This process has been recognised as the most effective way to extract fume. The same units can be used for other processes such as TIG or MMA. We replace the MIG gun for a nozzle, or for a workshop environment we can also use a hood system. The full range of Abicor-Binzel's fume extraction systems are now available to rent from ReadyArc UK.